Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna, and here basically we are discussing about the currencies. In currencies, basically ideas. In ideas, basically we are discussing about the global warming, basically global warming error, basically. That is basically the idea equal to global warming. So education sector basically is a problem that basically the education industry also knows. So they basically told that basically we basically can't do anything. So from that basically one of the person told that basically we can found some solution basically for this. So these all are basically the solution basically, and this basically nobody basically mostly basically the people who are basically into the energy department, that group only basically can do and that also basically who have basically the PhD degree in energy basically those groups only basically can do this basically. One is the can education system basically can change. For that basically you have to do the entire study of the education. That is basically impossible. That is basically impossible nowadays basically, because the study basically has reached up to many certain levels basically. But one of the person told that basically A to Z and 0 to 9, that is the only study basically. And the third basically books, second is books created basically, the books which is created basically, that basically is having some problem basically. That basically we will discuss. The environment basically, which contains basically, that contains one unique language, that is basically creating problem basically. In computer basically it is binary code basically. Binary code converts into the all languages basically. That basically is the novel basically, noval basically also you can say. That is the software basically which is converting everything basically. It might possible that novel basically is also booting with the some other data basically, it might possible basically. But in front of the world basically it's only noval basically, and that is also basically the secret basically. So this is the three data basically which was. And one of the person told that basically blood cells created for all languages. So here basically it's unique, or it's created all different for all languages. So the blood cells basically created for all languages basically, it's a unique, or it's a created all different for all languages basically. This is the most dangerous thing basically. This is the most dangerous thing basically. And this is basically the fourth solution basically. This only basically, for example, the environment basically. The environment contains unique language basically, right? So it's containing unique language. That means if it's containing the unique language, that means what basically? The people who actually, the people basically who basically was whenever the languages was getting created, that time basically the setting was done, right basically. That time basically the setting was done. Then he told that yes basically, that time basically the setting was done basically. That time basically the setting was done. So is that basically creating problem? Old system basically you can say. Old system before all languages got created. Here Sanskrit and Tamil also comes. So mostly basically this might be problem, but we can't say basically where the problem is until basically we don't have the data basically. And few people says that basically if we have the data, then what is the proof that basically the data is perfectly correct or not basically. The thing basically is what is correct and what is wrong basically, that who knows basically. That only those group knows basically, who are basically the universe group basically, who basically has created this basically, who has created this all basically. And one of the person told that basically So mostly people says that basically this only basically might be the problem. Blood cells equal to language is created, and language basically is equal to like that basically. Language is equal to language is creation equal to planets, and planets are equal to like that basically example, that is 110 100 220 basically blood cells basically, or planets basically created 120 planets and 120 blood cells basically created for train running purpose basically. So mostly basically this is the possibilities one of the person basically told basically. So possibilities basically can be anything basically, right? Possibilities can be anything basically, because you can, if you say that basically the education group basically who are the teachers, who are basically the into the education system basically, they basically just came just now, no basically. They know the education minister basically just came now basically. The government also basically came just now only basically. So he basically might not be basically. Few people say that basically the Congress basically ruled for 70 80 years basically. They basically have done some mistake basically. But they basically, when they came basically, that time also education was already created, books was already created. So basically directly you can't blame the Congress basically. Few people will say that basically whatever things basically happening in India, that is done by the Congress people. Directly, literally they say that only basically. Because right, they are supposed to tell that basically. That basically you have to tell this, so they literally basically say that only basically. But really basically few people say that Congress basically are not the responsible person basically. Sorry, person, or basically Congress is basically person, ladies, that basically I don't know. So Congress basically is one party, but BJP is also one party, but that is connected with one person basically. Congress is also one party, but that is also connected with one person basically. That is one person's blood cells basically. Congress equal to blood cells equal to one person basically, and his group basically. That is Congress group, and same way BJP group, same way basically Aam Aadmi Party group. They are basically into some certain level of group basically. So that possibilities also basically might be there basically. Can we do anything in the environment so that the balancing can be maintained? Can be do something that basically the balancing basically can be maintained in the environment basically. That basically we will see what actually that is. Then basically one of the person told that basically, can we do something, can we do something in the sea water or in the sea environment? Currently lots of experiment is ongoing inside the sea water. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this.